Okay, so now that the top is off, the next thing is to replace this roll bar padding, which is obviously seeing better days. Got a nice zippered canvas denim cover that'll go on there quite nicely. But the next thing is to cut that off. There. And there is the roll padding, the old stuff peeled off. That electric tape, man, holy crap. I mean, it was the hot shit back in the day when we were doing this, but after 30 years it tends to get real crappy. But it's off. You can even see the original paint color of this thing. I'm not even sure I'm going to bother stripping off all the sticky stuff since it's just going to get covered up anyways. And what we got from Quadratech, from Rugged Ridge, is this padding here, which I will unbox and show you. There it is in all its glory. I'm just going to unzip it and put it on. And there it is, the Rugged Ridge padded denim, black denim roll bar padding. Installs quite easily, actually. A little wrinkly, I guess. Hopefully it smooths out, or does it need to? But yeah, all done. Protect my noggin.